Section 4. AI, in action, real-world success stories from the fields. AI is already making a difference in farms around the world. Let's look at some inspiring examples.
In Japan, farmers are using robots to grow strawberries. These robots can harvest ripe strawberries and even pack them for shipping. This allows farmers to manage their farms with fewer workers.
In California, AI is being used to optimize irrigation. Sensors in the field collect data on soil moisture. AI algorithms analyze this data and adjust irrigation schedules. This ensures that crops receive the right amount of water, conserving this precious resource.
In India, AI is helping farmers identify pest attacks at an early stage. By analyzing images captured by drones, AI algorithms can detect the presence of pests. This allows farmers to take targeted action, reducing the need for widespread pesticide use.
Section 5. A glimpse into the future. AI's promise for sustainable agriculture. The future of farming with AI is full of possibilities. AI can help address some of the biggest challenges facing agriculture today.
Climate change is a major concern. AI can help farmers adapt to changing weather patterns. AI can analyze weather data and predict droughts or floods. This allows farmers to make informed decisions about planting and irrigation. AI can also help develop new crop varieties that are more resilient to climate change.
Food security is another pressing issue. AI can help increase food production to feed a growing global population. By optimizing farming practices and reducing crop loss, AI can contribute to a more food-secure future. Imagine a world where everyone has access to nutritious food. Section 6. Conclusion. Nourishing the world with intelligent farming. AI is revolutionizing agriculture and shaping the future of our food. From planting to harvesting, AI is making farming more efficient, sustainable, and productive. AI empowers farmers with the tools and insights they need to grow more food using fewer resources. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications in agriculture. The farm of the future is here, and it is powered by AI. Let us embrace this technology to nourish our world and create a more sustainable future for generations to come.